I present to you the Umarex morph 3X. A great addition to the backpack, fits in it perfectly, and you can morph it into a rifle. And you got the butt stock. It goes on to the gun. And also has a butt stock. This is where you put your CO2. So you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need BBs for one. Then to shoot the BBs, you need this CO2 canister, 12 gram or 8 gram. Yeah, 12 gram. And then you have your oil. You have to have the oil, put it on the CO2 before you put it in your gun. So, the purpose of this making this video is to shoot the gun itself the way it is. Now, I could fit everything into a backpack. I could fit the extension, I could fit the butt stock, but I didn't bring it today because that's not the purpose of the video. I want to see how accurate it is as far as the gun goes, because I think it's rated at 350 to 400 FPS. This is where the BBs go, right here. It has a safety right here, and I put pop-up sights on there, pop them up like that. It's ready to go. So I have this is where you load your CO2 canister. Put some oil onto your CO2 canister. Then you load it up with your BBs. That's in there. So let's see my accuracy real quick. Pop up these sights real quick.